How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Your good name?
My name is Motiram Khan, sir.
Okay, so you get visa, right?
Yes, sir.
For which country?
Uh,
Okay, so how long it will take for your visa?
6 months.
6-7 months. After 6-7 months, you get visa, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for what kind of work you are going in Romania?
Animal caretaker.
Animal caretaker. And how much your salary there?
2,500.
Okay. And do you satisfy with our service?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Would you like to say anything about our service, about our landmark?
Yes, sir.
What do you want to say? नेपालीमा भन्नु नि सर के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ हाम्रो सेवा सुविधादेखि?
सेवा सुविधादेखि अब ल्यान्डमार्क म चाहिँ मैले ल्यान्डमार्क नेपालबाट जान लागेको।
ओके
मेरो भिजा चाहिँ 6-7 महिनामा आयो। ल्यान्डमार्क नेपालबाट चाहिँ मैले राम्रो सेवा सुविधा पाएँ। यदि तपाईँहरू आउन चाहनुहुन्छ भने ल्यान्डमार्क नेपालमा कन्ट्याक्ट गर्नु होला। यति भन्न चाहन्छु।
Okay, thank you. So wish you all the best. Have a nice journey. Okay, please take your visa. Okay, thank you so much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.